Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we are going to look at the difference between a discrete variable and a continuous variable. So one of the first big differences between a discrete random variable and a continuous random variable is with discrete, your change happens all at once. So whatever is taking place, whatever the outcome is, it's going to happen all at one specific point. Whereas with a continuous, your change happens over time. So it's going to continue to happen as the interval is changing. Another big difference between discrete and continuous is discrete, your values can be whole numbers. Or we can also call them countable numbers. So you cannot have fractions, you cannot have decimals or anything like that. It's just like simple, the 1s, 2, 3, 4. Whereas continuous, you can have some rational numbers as your values. So that would be fractions, decimals, and things like that. And then another big difference is actually the way that these two variables are graphed. So if you look at these two things on a graph, you're going to see a discrete is actually going to be dots. So that's a linear discrete random variable projection on that graph. It's just dot. So at that particular point, that's what happened. At the next point, that's what happened. Whereas your continuous is going to be more of, this is going to be exponential, so that curve. So at each of those individual points that are making up this exponential graph and line, there are still points in between those 2 points that something is happening. That variable is still taking place. So you could still get at 2.5 minutes, how far have you run? But whereas a discrete, it wouldn't be at 2.5 minutes, it'd just be at the 2-minute mark, at the 3-minute mark, at 5 people walking into the store.